how the Apple iPhone is made. Every iPhone begins long before it reaches your hands. It starts in Apple's advanced design laboratories, where engineers and designers use powerful 3D modeling software to craft a device that balances beauty, strength, and performance. The journey continues with carefully selected raw materials. Aerospace-grade aluminum, rare earth elements, and high-purity silica are sourced and refined. Aluminum is melted at extreme temperatures, then molded and cooled to form the structural base of the phone. Next, high-precision CNC machines carve the aluminum block into the iPhone's iconic frame. These machines operate with micron-level accuracy, ensuring every edge and curve is flawless. The frame is then polished and anodized to create a smooth, durable finish resistant to scratches and corrosion. Meanwhile, in ultra-clean rooms, OLED display panels are manufactured layer by layer. Each display is chemically strengthened for durability and tested for brightness, color accuracy, and touch responsiveness. At the heart of the iPhone lies the powerful A-series chip. Built on silicon wafers using extreme ultraviolet lithography, billions of microscopic transistors are etched onto a single chip to deliver remarkable speed and energy efficiency. Robotic systems then assemble the internal components, installing the logic board, battery, camera modules, and sensors with extraordinary precision. Adhesives and seals are applied to provide water and dust resistance. Once assembled, iOS is installed, seamlessly integrating hardware and software. Every device undergoes rigorous quality testing, including performance checks, camera calibration, and durability tests. Finally, the finished iPhone is carefully cleaned, packaged in sustainable materials, and shipped worldwide, the result of cutting-edge engineering and industrial precision.